in case you're wondering which location this is just outside my house. Okay, now as you guys possibly have seen the heading, so let's do the test. Now this is one app which I downloaded, and I will share the downloading thing and everything. I did a screen recording of this one when I downloaded the app, and when I was coming out of the garage until the time I stopped here, I actually made a recording. It's working fine, and the main purpose of doing this video is to see how much of difference is there between what the speedometer of the Gixxer SF shows and what is the actual GPS speed. So what I will do is I will set it to a screen recording, because I cannot just do my head like this and this all the time and show you guys a real-time difference. So I'll just assign the screen recorder to do the job. And there is a black covering on my dashboard which I have put as it's a black film basically, which I've put to get rid of any kind of scratches on the dashboard. I had this on my Dominar, I had this on the KTM, and now on this one as well. So let's switch the bike on. So 0 at the moment for both. Let's start the bike and let's do the screen recording on. So screen recording is on. बाकी ये तो अपने आप record करता रहेगा. Just trying this as an experiment, because one of you actually pointed out this in a comment. So let's roll. So as you can see, I'm rolling at dashboard indicated 49, and what is the real-time speed now? 51. Oh sorry, 50 by the time I showed. So that will actually keep on happening, because there would be a difference. So 60 here, let me just try and do it on a constant basis. 55, 56, see here, 50. So that's the kind of difference in dashboard speed and dashboard indicated speed and what you actually get out of this. So this kind of, I mean, this, don't take it as a deal breaker for the Gixxer SF or anything like that. This difference happens in almost every bike. Not sure about the analog dash, which for example the one that we have on the Himalayan. Not sure of those analog dashboards, but on the digital dashboard this much of variance will always happen. Sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more. Now I don't have a data like this from any of my previous motorcycles, so in case you guys have it, you guys can be the judge. And I'm at the moment doing a 70-ish, and it's 62 on the phone, on the GPS indicated speed. And I believe, again, I'm not sure, I believe this is how the channels that do motorcycle reviews, like the serious ones, not every channel I have seen doing these kind of tests, but then again some of the channels end up doing V-Box testing to get the accurate and the exact and the right amount of speed. So I believe the V-Box also works on this concept. Again, if I'm wrong, excuse me, because I don't have an in-depth knowledge of how the V-Box works and all. I'm just guessing that something of that sort it could be, because it clearly shows the difference in the speedometer of the bike and that of the GPS. So वो review में लिख भी देते हैं V-Box tested. So that is where I'm just making a guess from. And so that's how it is. Now what I will do is, once I cross here, there would be a lot of traffic jam and everything, so I'll just switch off the recording and everything for the time being here, and then once I will hit the highway or an open stretch maybe, that is when I will switch it back on. So let's cover up this area. Okay, I also received one comment from one of the previous videos. I'm saying that do I feel any sort of heat while riding the motorcycle, the Gixxer, and like any sort of heat or anything like that. Something of that sort was the comment. मेरे को exactly याद नहीं है क्या लिखा था भाई ने. जवाब तो उनको मैंने दे दिया कि as such कुछ नहीं. I have not felt any major heating apart from that one day where the fan came on. Even though on that day I didn't feel much of heat on the bike. कैसे fan on हुआ I don't know. वो भी उस टाइम पे तो ज़्यादा सर्दी थी, अब तो कम है. कम क्या, अब तो नहीं है. I hope it's not another Zomato type case. So the thing is that when you are in stop and go traffic, that's when you will feel a very negligible amount of heat. जो आपको दोनों साइड, जैसे KTM में क्या होता था, KTM में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से जो हेडर पाइप जाता था, उसके वजह से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मेरी टांगों की जो है भुर्जिया बन जाती, बैंड बच जाता था मेरा टांगों का, द लेफ्ट टांग इन पर्टिकुलर. बट इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इसमें हल्का सा आपको वही हीट, अभी मैं जब अभी स्टॉप एंड गो कर रहा हूँ तो हल्का सा मेरे नीज़ और थाइज एरियाज़ के वहाँ पे हल्का सा कभी कभार हीट मारता है बस. दैट्स इट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई हैव नॉट फेस्ड एनीथिंग मेजर which we should be worried about. बाकी टचवुड बाइक हैज़ बीन परफॉर्मिंग pretty good. रही बात ट्रिप्स की, जो ट्रिप पोस्टपोन हो गया हमारा, जैसा मैंने लास्ट एक व्लॉग में आपको बताया था, तो वो दैट ट्रिप इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ड्यूरिंग दिस मंथ ओनली, maybe during the holy time. Again, not sure, nothing confirmed yet, so it's all on a probability basis. Probably we will go for that same place, but during the holy time. Holy moly, क्या अमेजिंग अमाउंट ऑफ डिफरेंस है. यहाँ पे 70, यहाँ पे 64. अभी यहाँ पे रोक के करते हैं इसको ऑन, इसको स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग को. ये हुआ भाई साहब ऑन. ये सब एडिटिंग में याद रखना पड़ता है. दिस इज द स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग नंबर 2. बहुत ज़्यादा क्रॉस विंड है. Went too fast. This should give us a decent idea. Stop. मोबाइल गर्म हो गया है भाई. चलो भाई यहाँ से निकलते हैं, अब चलते हैं डीकैथलॉन. आ गए भाई डीकैथलॉन. कहाँ आ गए? अच्छा सामने है. बाइक 20. यहाँ पे तो एग्जॉस्ट नोट का अलग ही मज़ा आता है. मेरा टिपिकल पार्किंग स्पॉट है वहाँ पे। ये मेरा टिपिकल स्पॉट है। मैं जब भी आता हूँ यहाँ पे ऐसे ही रखता हूँ, इधर ही रखता हूँ मैं। एग्जॉस्ट नोट का फ़ायदा उठाया जाए। ऐसे ही मजाक में। चलो अब मैं डिकैथलॉन जाता हूँ। लाइफस्टाइल ब्लॉगर तो हूँ नहीं, तो हर पल दिखाना ज़रूरी नहीं होता है मेरा। कैमरा होता है बंद। देखता हूँ इसके बाद अगर मिल पाता हूँ, मतलब मन करता है तो कर लूँगा मोटो व्लॉगिंग। वैसे कुछ खास बोलना और दिखाना तो है नहीं, तो मैं शायद ना भी करूँ। अगर इनकेस ना करूँ तो आपको क्या करना है?
प्लीज
सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर करना है। और मैं मिलूँगा आपसे अगली व्लॉग में। तब तक के लिए राइड हार्ड, राइड सेफ, राइड रिस्पॉन्सिबली, वेयर अ मास्क, स्टे सेफ। कोविड फिर से बढ़ रहा है तो प्लीज़ ध्यान रखें। चलो बाय बाय। आया था खरीदने टी शर्ट तो ख़रीदा है, बट साथ में ये जो शॉप है ना, इस ब्रांड ने मेरे को कुछ ज़्यादा ही लुभा दिया, तो मैंने वो भी ख़रीद लिया।